Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to import a file to the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the plus icon indicated by this red button down below. Now go to the track type section and select the first option, import file. You can select from three options: your music library, photo library, or your documents by clicking on the more icon. So now you can select from these documents. So click on the one that you prefer, choose the one file that you would like to upload. You can edit it or cut it, as you can see at the top of the screen, and then click on the choose button down below in order to compress your video and upload it. So now you will be able to import your file, and you will find this in your in this library section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.